Hey there and welcome to my channel. Today I am having a 10-month review of the GoPro Hero 10. Why 10 months? Well, it's called GoPro Hero 10 and everyone does a 1-year review, so you get a 10-month review. Before we begin, just a quick disclaimer. This is obviously a personal review and my opinion. I mostly review how it was like to work with it, to have it with me in all kinds of different scenarios. Now that you know what you're getting into, let's start with the cons. As many others, I got my GoPro very early after the release, I think by the end of September. So it was the cozy season where you spent most of your time inside, less outside, so I quickly realized that the GoPro is not made for that kind of situations. I had very bad image quality when filming inside or just in general bad lighting situations. I do own an Osmo Action 1, which I feel handles those situations better, even though it is an older camera. Con number 2, one of the reasons I bought this camera is because of a 4K 100 or 120 frames per second. I do not have that on my camera. So I was like, yay, whenever I need it, I would just use the GoPro. But unfortunately, it's not looking great. To be fair, the 1080p on my Osmo Action doesn't look great either. Let's talk about battery life, because I feel like it's terrible. I think it works when you just film tiny bits here and there, but for example, if you vlog with the GoPro Hero 10, the battery runs out so quickly, but it's not fun anymore. You have to switch out batteries all the time. The white one, to be fair, holds a bit longer, so whenever I can, I use the white GoPro Hero 10 battery. I think it also works for the GoPro Hero 9, if I'm not mistaken. But other than that, terrible. Totally terrible. And it recharges what feels like forever. When I compare it to the Osmo Action 1 batteries, the battery life is way better and they recharge super fast. And it's not like, you know, if a battery drains fast and you recharge it fast, that's a different story. But if it drains fast and it takes forever to recharge, then something is not right. But behold, I do have positive things to say. The microphone on the GoPro Hero 10 is excellent. The only time it didn't perform well was when I was filming on a plane and you could only hear the aircraft and it didn't pick up my voice, but I think that's fair. It makes it very convenient to just vlog from time to time and film something else and vlog again, and you don't have to remember to turn on a mic or to bring a mic and adapters and all that stuff. The thing that GoPro truly perfected is the stabilization, especially the horizontal lock, which just locks so perfectly and you can run and do stuff and it's really, really good. I also got the max lens and tried it out and it's really crazy that you can turn the GoPro around and nothing really changes. That's an easy pro for the GoPro. That's an easy pro for the GoPro. I did complain how many accessories and things you need for the GoPro in another video, but I gotta say that all those accessories are of high quality and very nice and just do their job right, and I don't have to worry about anything. I use chastity a lot for my POVs or general stuff, and it just feels comfortable and nice, and yeah, so that's a pro. Accessories are a little bit pricey, but at least they are of high quality. The only time I truly loved using the GoPro was on vacation. We went to Spain, and contrary to here where I live, it's sunny all the time, the weather is good, and everything is cool. So it was a pleasure to film with the GoPro Hero 10 because this is exactly the type of weather this is made for and optimized for. I really love the colors and I didn't even have to do a lot in post. Most of the times I tried to match my Sonys to the GoPro style because I loved it so much, so that was a complete surprise for me, but it just liked the vibrance and the depth of those colors, and it just looked amazing. Beautiful color in sunny environments. That is absolutely what the GoPro Hero 10 is made for. The real question though is, who is the GoPro Hero 10 for, right? I do feel like the GoPro Hero 10 is best for people who are into sports or activities that are outdoors and require good weather. If you are into those things, the GoPro Hero 10 or even an older model is a non-brainer. You just take it with you and you don't have to worry about anything, especially if you are making videos for YouTube or something. You will always have a good microphone with you. You could really just take the GoPro Hero 10 on your bike and film that in a time lapse and then get off and vlog about it and show where you are and then get back on and don't worry. I would also recommend the GoPro Hero 10 for people who are living in very sunny places, because you won't have to worry so much about bad lighting situations like I do. So if you live in the north or like, you know, England, Ireland and Scandinavia in general, just think twice or be prepared that you can only use it on sunny, beautiful days. But if you happen to live in a country where it's sunny a lot, the GoPro Hero 10 is definitely a good camera to film stuff or to start vlogging. Last but not least, I would recommend the GoPro Hero 10 to people who don't like mics. Audio is such an important part of videos that if you are too lazy or not in the mood to carry a mic with you all the time, then the GoPro Hero 10 is your solution, because you can rely on this microphone unless you're in an airplane, but that's just fair. When I first got the GoPro Hero 10, I already suspected that it would perform better in those sunny environments, bright lights and all that stuff, and it really does perform better, so there was no surprise. If the image quality was just a bit more stable under worse lighting situations, I would definitely like this camera way better. The GoPro Hero 10 will definitely stay in my kit. I like a lot of the things like stabilization. I do like the time lapse, the warps. I use them plenty of times on client shoots, and all the clients raved about it and were so happy with the outcome, and I was like, it's just such a simple trick, but people love it. Other than that, I mostly use it when I know that the lighting conditions are there for the GoPro Hero 10 to shine, and it's still great for vacation, so that's a plus. What about you? Do you own a GoPro Hero 10? And if so, what do you hate or love about it? If you're thinking of getting one and have questions, drop me a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, it's cold. It got cold. Don't forget to subscribe, right? And like this video, or feel free to dislike it if you don't like it. That's just, you know, honesty and freedom of speech. Okay, I should go.